Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn the fabric painting technique using which we'll be making a custom bag. The first step is creating the template. For the one that is used in the video, I've written down words that mean happiness in different languages. I've used different styles to write them, and I've made sure that they fit in the size of the bag. Alternatively, you could also choose to download the template for this particular bag from our blog. Going on to the next step, keep the template below the surface where you want the design to appear and start tracing it. However, this step is not possible if your fabric isn't translucent or transparent enough, in which case you can choose to draw it directly on the surface or use a carbon sheet to copy it. Once you have traced down the outline completely, take off the template beneath and keep a plastic sheet or foam sheet below the surface where you're going to start painting it. For the next step, which is painting, you can choose option 1 is to mix acrylic paint with the textile medium, or you can choose to use the fabric paint directly over the surface. Since this bag has designs that are very finer, I'm using a fine brush which is size 0 to color them. Dip the brush into the paint, fabric paint or the mixture created with the liquid textile medium, and apply directly onto the fabric. When it comes to handling with paint liquid mediums, I choose to finish off one color, one section at a time. This step helps me to make sure that the brush is clean when it comes to the next color, and also there is no mixing of color or clumsiness or miscoloring at any point of time. Once you have applied color wherever necessary, the basic coloring is done. The next step is to outline. I always make sure I use the black color at the end so that I can finish the lettering in black as well as the outline at once. Now the bag is almost complete. Once you have painted and given outline, make sure you give enough time for it to dry. I usually leave it overnight to dry. You could also choose to read the instructions in the paint given or the textile medium to know how long to wait before it can be used.